Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Hyundai Bluelink application isn't working in 2025, whether it is not starting or not connecting to your car or just stuck, don't worry, I've got some of the quick fixes that usually solve the issue right away. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by resetting the application. For that, you just have to come out of your Bluelink application and tap on its icon. Then tap on the I tab and you will be in the app info of Bluelink. Over here, you need to go to app permissions, and here you need to make sure that all of the permissions are allowed. You need to make sure here that location, Bluetooth and the background data have access and it is turned on. If it is turned off, if it is in the not allowed section, you need to tap on them one by one, and from here you need to allow the permissions. After that, you need to reopen the application and try again. This actually helps re-establish the connection between your phone and the car. In the second method, you just have to log out and reconnect to your vehicle. For that, you need to launch your Hyundai application and you need to simply log out of your account. Then you need to restart your phone as well by pressing the home button or the power button. After restarting your application completely, you need to just log back in your Hyundai application by providing your email address and your password, and if needed you can even remove and re-add your vehicle under the account settings. So your Hyundai Bluelink application should now be working properly. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you need help with any other car app. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.